Looking to refresh your bathroom without a full remodel? The egoing shower curtain brings a splash of vibrant color and style that instantly brightens any space. Imagine stepping into a bathroom that feels fresh, lively, and inviting. This curtain makes it happen with patterns designed by a top-notch design team focused on elevating your daily routine. What sets this curtain apart is its eco-friendly construction. Made from 100% high-quality polyester fabric, it uses advanced thermal transfer printing to keep colors vivid without fading or releasing odors. The fabric is soft to the touch yet durable, ensuring safety and comfort every time you shower. Plus, its thickness offers excellent opacity, so you get the privacy you need while keeping wet and dry areas separate. No more slippery floors or awkward moments. Installation is a breeze thanks to the included set of 12 reinforced plastic hooks with anti-rust copper buttonholes. These hooks are designed to last and make hanging your new curtain quick and hassle-free. Though the hooks are plastic, they hold up well and complement the curtain's quality. Keep in mind, the curtain rod is not included, so you'll want to have one ready. One happy customer shared how this curtain transformed their guest bathroom into a cheerful, welcoming space that draws compliments every time. They paired it with bright bath mats to complete the look and even added a liner to extend the curtain's life. While the price might be a bit higher than average, the quality and design make it a worthwhile upgrade that changes the vibe of your bathroom. If you're someone who appreciates fresh, eco-conscious home accents that combine style with function, this shower curtain is worth a look. It's an easy way to boost your bathroom's decor and enjoy a more comfortable, private shower experience. Try it when you're ready to add a splash of color and quality to your bathroom setup.